So welcome back to the AD Money channel. Today I have a new method for you to make a lot of money online. This method is one of the best because the amount of money that you can make is really high, and I really love this method because it's really working, and because compared to many other opportunities, this opportunity will cause you to get a lot of money really quickly. So what I'm going to show you requires you to watch this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to explain what you need to do so that you are not confused and you are able to know what to do directly so that you can actually make your money instantly. Now, this method is absolutely free. You don't pay any money to do this. Don't worry about spending your money. You are only here to make money for yourself. This is also available worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are. If you're in Africa or Australia or Europe or Asia, America, South America, wherever you are on the earth, you can get access to this opportunity. So before I show you this awesome method, please just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that red button, subscribe. It is free to subscribe. You don't have to pay any money to subscribe. Just click subscribe and turn on the notification bell over there so that anytime I upload a new video, you will get a notification on your phone or on your computer, so you don't have to go around looking for my videos. So the website you need to go to is called useproof.com. It's useproof.com. Now, before you go on the website, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you understand what you're doing. When you're over here, you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom, so you can skip all of this so that you don't get so confused. Scroll down to the bottom and click on partners. So when you click on partners, it's going to take you onto a different page. So once you're over here, you're going to see join program. Step 1 is to join the program. Step 2 is share the link. Step 3 is get your reward. So basically it is a program that you are actually going to promote to different people, and I'm going to show you the kinds of people you need to promote to so that you can actually make your money. So when you join the program, it's absolutely free to join. You're going to get a referral link, for example, like this over here. You'll get a link, then you'll use that link to send to different people, different companies, different businesses. Then when they actually make a purchase, you get 30% of every sale that is made. Okay, so how does it work? As you can see over here, for example, this over here is $2.99, and this is very little compared to, people can afford this. So this is actually the program over here. Now they will get a 14-day trial, which means that the people you promote the product to, they can get 14 days free trial so that they can actually just test it out and see whether they like it. And when they do make the purchase, you are going to get 30% of that sale. So for example, 30%, let me show you. If it's $2.99 times 30%, so that is $89 per sale. That is absolutely awesome, because imagine if 10 people actually like this, which means that you can make yourself almost $900 for basically doing nothing. You don't even spend any of your money and you're making $900, $897. So it's a big opportunity, but you need to understand how it works. Let me explain some more. It says here, how long do commissions last for? Unless otherwise stated, commissions last for the lifetime of the account, which means that as soon as you get your account, you can always get your commission. There's no expiry date of your commission, and you can always be making money and making money. Once the people make the purchase, you will always get your 30%, and it is confirmed. And how do I get paid? At the end of each month, your rewards are calculated and available for cash out via PayPal or Stripe or alternative methods. So if you don't have a PayPal account or a Stripe account, you can get your money directly to your bank account, so you don't need to worry about that. Now, when do you get paid? Payments are verified and paid out the month after your commission is earned. For example, any commissions earned in February will be available March 16th. So that's not a problem. You don't need to worry about that. They always make sure that they pay you, and this amount of money that you can make is really high. For example, if you promote the product to, let's say, so the product is $2.99, and then you're going to get 30% for every single sale that you make. Trust me, there are so many businesses that can benefit from this, and I'm going to explain what they'll actually be getting from this. So let's say, for example, over the course of 2 months, you were able to get 20 people to actually sign up for this, to make this purchase. You'll get $1,794, and you basically did nothing apart from sending your referral link. That's all you did, and to get that referral link is absolutely free, so you're not losing anything at all. Over here it says, how long do cookies last for? We use cookies to track your referrals. The cookies last for 90 days after someone clicks on your link. If they click again, the 90 days starts again. This simply means that, for example, if you send your referral link to someone and they decide to click on it and they get access to, for example, the 14-day trial, then once they click on it, even if they don't make the purchase now, but they decide to make the purchase in 1 month's time or 2 months' time, there's a 90 days of cookies available on the browser because they've clicked on your link. So which means that if they actually click on your link today and they only make a purchase in 2 months or in 3 months, you will still get your 30% for that sale. So you don't need to worry if somebody clicks on your referral link and then they don't make the purchase right away and they decide to make the purchase in a month's time. Don't worry, you still will get your 30% sale. So that is one thing that is awesome. So what do they actually get from this? So if they have a business, they will get 300,000 unique visitors to their website, to their business. Okay, that's what they're getting. Then they're getting unlimited domains. Then they're getting unlimited notifications, A/B testing, conversion analytics, live chat support, so recent activity notification, the visitor count notification, hot streaks notification. So if you don't understand all of this, you don't need to understand all of this. This is just what the customers are going to benefit, what they will be getting from paying this. So it's going to help their business to get 300,000 unique visitors, which means more exposure to the kind of business that they are doing. And remember, they will get a 14-day trial for free so they can try it out and see whether they like it. So 14 days is a lot of days for them to actually check how it is, what they enjoy about it, so that it gives them time to actually enjoy it, and then they can decide to actually make the purchase and you will be getting your money. So now what do you need to do? You need to click on start earning over here. You need to click start earning. So basically you just want to register, which is absolutely free. It's a very straightforward process. Just put in your details and that's about it. So it's easy. You can use your Gmail account, use any account. It's very simple to do. It's free. Now they're going to provide you with a referral link that looks something like this over here, which you would like to copy. And then what you want to do is you want to go onto Google, and when you're on Google, you want to type in technology blog. So the reason you're typing technology blog is that it is mostly those people that love technology, that are related to people who have businesses online and so on and so forth. And there's a lot of companies available so that you can actually promote this link so that they can read through it and actually make a purchase. So for example, we're going to choose, for example, let's say this over here. These are all technology blogs that you can actually go to. So when you're over here, you want to look for their contact details or like a contact us form. So you want to basically scroll down. It's usually at the bottom. So as you can see here, there's contact us. You want to click on contact us. So when you click on contact us, you want to put in your name, your email. Now here I have a template for you that works perfectly. So you just want to copy this template so that you can actually get people convinced about this. So in the subject, you want to write important message to, then you want to put in the blog or the website or the company that you've decided to target. You want to put that over there. And you say, hi, my name is whoever you are. Then you say, I visited your website earlier, and you want to put, and it looks amazing. Now, I'm not sure if you would be open to a new feature that would help you to attract more customers, sales, and conversion. I am currently running a social media marketing agency where I assist businesses to build their brands and conversions. Over 20,000 businesses are using this tool to scale their business rapidly. If you are interested, I can send you over the details and possibly a 14 days free trial here. So you would put your referral link over here. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day. So what is beautiful about this is that when you address them with the website over here, it gets them really convinced that, okay, this is an important message to us. So it gets them really attracted. Then the beauty about this is that you're not selling them anything right away. You're actually telling them that, hey, there's a 14 days free trial. Then you want to put in your link over here, which you get obviously from, as I showed you, you'd get your link from joining here. The link would look like this. It's absolutely free to get. Then you put that link over here so they can actually click on your link and get access to a 14 days free trial. Then you say, let me know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day. So it's a beautiful message, very polite, and it's very clear. And they can have access to a 14 days trial of the product. So they can actually see how it is, enjoy it, and then once the 14 days trial has been completed, they can actually say, hey, I'm interested to make this purchase. So once they make the purchase, you're going to get 30%. Now remember, this is a monthly thing. So even if you just get one person or one company to sign up, that is an extra. Let me show you. If you go onto the online calculator, we have $2.99 and you get 30% of that. So that is $89 every single month for doing nothing, basically. If you get maybe 3 people, 3 companies, that's an extra $269 every single month. Just imagine. And you basically did nothing apart from sign up here, get a referral link, looked online for technology blogs. There's so many blogs. You can just type in technology blog, and you can actually send to maybe 20 different places every single day. You will definitely get 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. So, and remember, trust me, it's very easy to do. It's absolutely free to do. So just try it out. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope it's not too confusing. It's actually a straightforward procedure. Very easy to do. If you have any questions, comment your questions down below in the comment section. And yeah, please like the video and subscribe to the AD Money channel right now if you haven't already. Turn on the post notification bell over there so you will get a notification when I upload my videos. And thank you so much for watching. Remember to comment your questions down if you have any requests or you have any questions. So I'll do my best to give you an answer as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and cheers.